Which one of the following statements with respect to leases is correct? So we have 4 statements here. One of them is going to be correct. That means the other 3 are going to be incorrect. We're trying to find the correct statement. So let's read through them. A, an operating lease is treated like a rental contract between the lessor and the lessee. That sounds like a pretty good answer. Let's come back to that and review the rest of those. B says, a lease that does not transfer ownership from the lessor to the lessee by the end of the lease is automatically an operating lease. The transfer of ownership test is one of only the 4 tests that is used to determine whether a lease is classified as a capital lease. A lease could meet one of the other 3 tests of transfer of ownership and be classified as a capital lease. So B is not correct. C reads, sales and direct financing leases pertain more to lessees than lessors. This statement is reversed. Sales type leases and direct financing leases are reported by lessors, not lessees. C is not our answer. D reads, unpredictability of lease revenues or expenses can transform what would otherwise be a capital lease for the lessee into an operating lease for the lessee. The degree of unpredictability of lease revenues or expenses is not a factor for the lessee in the classification of the lease as either capital or operating. D is not the correct answer. That takes us back to A, so let's read through A again. An operating lease is treated like a rental contract between the lessor and the lessee. An operating lease is a transaction which the lessee rents the rights to use the lessor's assets. It is treated like a rental contract. A is the correct answer.